this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huawei Band 10. And on this video, we are going to have a demo of the watch faces or the dials. As you can see here, this wearable is already preloaded with several watch faces. So we will add more watch faces to this device. We are going to check on the support app and check on the available free dials or watch faces for this fitness tracker. We'll also apply our custom watch face. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the Huawei Band 10 as well as steps on how to apply the custom watch face, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the watch face section for the Huawei Band 10. Long press, you'll be able to change the watch face. As you can see, it is preloaded with digital watch faces as well as dynamic watch faces. So we have, I like this one, okay, our favorite, and we also have here the custom watch face. Okay, scan code to add photos. That is for the support app. On the settings, when it comes to the display options, let's check. System update, we have the watch face here. We also have a section for the always on display. We have the feature for raise to show watch face, raise to show AOD, or always on display. Okay, so these are the features for your screen display. So let's try and download an additional watch face for our wearable. So we have here the Huawei Health app. Okay, and on the device section menu, go to the watch face section, tap on more. It will load the dashboard for the watch faces. So we have categories here, hot, okay, we have several watch faces here, but you have to pay for it. Okay, it costs so 39. It is in pesos here, so it is $50 for some. Okay, we have new, okay, and it is a combination of digital and analog watch faces. And we have free. So these are the free watch faces, so let's explore. So it is also a combination of digital and analog watch faces or hand watch faces. This is cute. It's like a painting. So we will try to download this one later on. So let's explore more. So these are the free watch faces for your Huawei Band 10. So it is a comprehensive list so far. Very good list of watch faces. Let's see, still loading. So there's a lot of options for watch faces. So if you are looking for different designs, the Huawei Health app do have a section for a comprehensive list of watch faces for your wearable. Okay, seems like a never-ending list of watch faces or dials. Okay, let's go back. Then we do have the official here. Okay, so it is a bit pricier, more than $1, I think. But they look beautiful. They look professional made. Then let's go back. Let's go to free section. And let's have a demo for downloading watch faces for our Huawei Band 10. Okay, let's try this sunset melting. Tap on install. It's now installing. Okay, so we have finally downloaded a watch face for our Huawei Band 9. Let's have additional download. So let's pick a unique color, unique design for our watch face. So let's scroll down or swipe down. So this is okay. Let's try this one, an analog style. Loading, then tap on install. This one is also nice. It's now installing. Okay, and we have our downloaded watch face for our Huawei Band 10. Okay, so let's explore. Okay, so we still have this. Now we have at least another 2 watch face for our wearable. Okay, so we have here the settings. Let's see. Okay, so you can change this. Workout. So you can set, you can change. Okay, go back. So this one, you can change some of the options here. So seems like most of the watch face section here is dynamic. So let's see, for example, workout. Let's change it to sleep monitoring or music, weather, calendar. Okay, so let's change. So you can change the contents here. Nice. Music. Okay, so that is a pretty cool feature for our watch face if you want to personalize your smartwatch or fitness tracker. I mean, how about this one? Okay, style 1. Let's change to weather. Okay, nice. Then that's it. Okay, so there's a lot of option aside from downloading additional watch face for your wearable. You can also edit the watch face here. You can change the contents. Okay, so that is a very good feature for our Huawei Band 10. Then next, let's have the custom watch face. Again, aside from downloading additional watch face here, you can also edit the watch face directly here on the smartwatch. You can change the contents here. Let's go with a custom watch face. Add photo. Scan code to add photo. So let's scan this one. I don't know if there's a section for a custom watch face here. Let's go to the more section. Mine. So we have downloads here. My dial. Okay, I guess this is the custom watch face. So let's add an image here. Select image, allow. Let's pick from our downloads. So we will select this one. Then let's select a style. I guess that's it. And save. It's now saving the background to our fitness tracker. So let's wait for it to finish. And we are done. Okay, so we have our custom watch face for our Huawei Band 10. Again, there's a lot of options for our Huawei Band 10. So you can download your own custom watch face. You can download additional watch face. So we have here our additional watch face. Okay, and for the preloaded watch face, you can change the contents here. Okay, and let's have a demo again. Let's pick this one. Okay, so you can change this. Let's pick this one, then edit, change this one, then let's go back, long press. Okay, so this is the option for this one. It's a different color. Okay, style number 4. So depending on the dial, so this one you can change the contents. Let's try edit, dual time, and set. Where's the dual time? So this is the dual time. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.